Hello, I'm Catherine Middleton with Katz Consulting, Bookkeeping and Tax Services with some important tips for your small business. It's a new year and a great time to take a look at the accounting for your business. We all know that running a small business is hard work. Every day is filled with more and more tasks that never seem to end. In particular, as you grow your business, you'll need to focus on some very important accounting tasks. Accounting, bookkeeping, paperwork. I hate that stuff. I know that's what most of you are thinking right now. However, that accounting is vitally important to the success of your business. As my personal gift to you and help you start the new year off on the right foot, accounting wise, I have created a useful list of 5 of the top accounting tips that you need to focus on for your small business. Tip number 1, keep your business and personal expenses separate. Get a separate checking account, savings account, and separate credit card for your business. That new iPhone for your daughter is not a business expense, but your business credit card was handy, so you used it. You can pay back your company for a personal expenditure. As far as that goes, your business and your personal money is all your money anyway, right? You're a small business owner. It's all legal. However, if you're going to do things the right way, you need to separate personal and business expenses. I guarantee you, the IRS will not let you take off the cost of that iPhone as a business expense. Not if it was for your daughter. By keeping separate bank and credit card accounts, you'll save hours of work and make it easy to keep track of your legal tax deductible expenses for your business. Tip number 2, don't make the mistake of doing your own taxes. I know. You're smart, and there's all kinds of canned software out there that can do your taxes for you. However, that canned software, while it will prompt you and ask you questions as it does your taxes, they're not going to sit down and have a one-on-one conversation with you as a tax professional will. A tax professional will know the proper questions to ask you, not just canned variety questions. So in reality, not hiring a professional can cost you big bucks down the road. You may not claim all the deductions you qualify, or you may underpay your tax bill. This can lead to costly audits, speaking of which, that canned software is not going to represent you in an audit, and most professionals will. And if you get audited, you may be absolutely struck with penalties and fees. You need to hire a professional. Tip 3, expect the unexpected when it comes to your expenses. With a startup or growing business, it can be difficult to predict your future expenses. Sometimes the unexpected happens and equipment breaks down or something needs to be replaced. In any forecast, it is usually best to leave a solid buffer for expenses for the long term. Plan for equipment and software upgrades, maintenance, administrative expenses, professional service fees, and more. Just like in your personal life, you have money set aside for a rainy day. You also need to have money set aside for those rainy days in your business. Tip number 4, don't underestimate employee costs. Employees are likely to be one of your biggest expenses. Even a slight oversight or mistake can be very costly. Often small business owners forget to consider the cost of payroll taxes, insurance, and healthcare costs. Getting a complete view of your employee costs can help you make better decisions with your hiring down the road. I would really recommend talking to a professional when it comes to hiring employees and keeping track of their wages, or at least get some software to do it for you. Tip number 5, don't forget to get paid. This may seem very obvious, but you would be surprised at how many small business owners don't properly track their invoices and customer payments. If you're not keeping proper records, it could be months before you realize you have outstanding invoices. Make sure you're tracking all your payments due and recording when each invoice is paid. Also, track how long customers generally take to pay you. Keep an eye on customers you've had difficulties collecting payments from in the past. You may decide you don't want to work with them again. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please contact me and we can talk about these strategies and many more. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to accounting and your business. Ask me how we can help give you peace of mind so that you can focus on making your business a big success. Call me today. Don't wait. Pick up the phone right now. Call me 325-627-3175. Thanks and have an awesome, successful 2017.